Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. Check the set-top firmware and make sure the Jio Fiber box is online and paired to your Wi-Fi. Once done, open Settings and, if available, enable the browser or developer option to allow web access. You need the remote and network password at hand because you'll enter them on screen. This step ensures the TV has permissions and connectivity. Without it, a browser won't load Google, so don't skip the toggle and firmware check. You now open the Jio browser app from the Apps menu or use voice search on the remote to call up the browser. Once the browser is active, use the on-screen keyboard to type Google. If typing is slow, pair a Bluetooth keyboard or cast a phone browser via screencast. Make sure the input focus is the browser app rather than live TV or HDMI. Otherwise, the address bar won't accept input. This lets you reach Google's homepage directly and speeds navigation. You finish by signing in if you want personalized results, but do that only on a secure network. If Google doesn't load, clear the browser cache, restart the Jio box and retry. Often a quick reboot fixes DNS or app glitches. If the built-in browser is unstable, cast from your phone or plug a streaming stick via HDMI to access Google reliably. Remember, restarting and cache clearing resolve most failures, so try those before deeper network troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.